Well, let's go try to day number 2. Yesterday, awesome hunt. Just had a little slight miss. Had 2 gobblers come in, beat the decoy all to pieces. Got Connor up, got him ready, and we just had a little miss. So let's try this again. We had this one farm we wasn't gonna hunt because the birds disappeared. We drove by yesterday and they was everywhere. My cousin here behind the camera, Brandon, he went by yesterday and they was out there fighting. So let's go see if we can't make it happen for Mr. Connor this morning. What do you think about it, Connor? Are you excited? She's so down there. She's coming this way. I guarantee you. Is that Tom? It sounded awful heavy.
This segment has been brought to you by Lone Wolf Tree Stands, your silent partner.
Please don't leave. Where's the goblin at?
To the right. You can't miss him. It's twice the size of all the others. That's not me.
Game time.
Alright, now do whatever you want to do. Get the gun over there. Shoot the decoy if you want, I don't care. Just take your time. You got all the time in the world.
Got him!
You got him,
You
man.
got him, big guy.
Oh, man. Give me a big hug. Gosh! Oh! Oh, man. Oh, my gosh!
You got him. He's a flopping like crazy, but you got him.
Oh, my gosh. Oh. Was that not awesome?
Yes.
Did you see that big beard swinging back and forth when he came running down through here? Oh, my gosh. That was awesome. Let's get our hats on. Right there, folks. That couldn't be no better. Yesterday, we called 3 birds in. They come running into the decoys, whipped the far of the decoys. And
We got us redemption.
we got redemption, yes. We done something. It was just crazy. So we had some jakes come in today. They come here and I asked Connor if he wanted to kill a jake, and he first said no. Then he decided he wanted to kill a jake. I said, we'll just hold off just a little bit, because we had gobblers everywhere working. There were some back behind us, there were some up in the holler. So we just, little Connor took a nap here. We just, patience pays off. But, does it feel good to kill that after that miss yesterday?
Yeah.
Big fist pump. All right.
Give me one
That's
too,
great.
big guy.
Say thanks, Phipps, for taking us and helping us out. All right. That's a big gobbler.
Dude, that's awesome.
He's got big hooks.
When it comes to food plots, we're really looking for 3 different things: attractiveness, longevity, and herd health. The Real World Gen 2 soybeans have 4 different varieties in this bag. They are the most shatter resistant soybeans on the market, which means these soybeans are going to last you all the way through season and a lot of times well after. They also have a higher oil content, which is going to make them a lot more attractive than most of your other soybeans out there. Having 4 different varieties of soybeans in this bag, we're going to have 4 different maturity rates. The soybeans are packed full of protein, which is going to help our herd health, and they're going to last all the way through season, all the way after season, especially in those harsher conditions, and definitely provide not only for the deer, but all wildlife. They also offer a northern blend of soybeans for you guys that are in the northern states. And there's 3 different varieties of soybeans, and those also the most shatter resistant soybeans on the market. If you want to learn more on the Real World Gen 2 soybeans or the northern blend soybeans, check out their website at realworldwildlifeproducts.com or find the dealer nearest you.